What do you think? You're not camera shy, huh? Nope. You chewing some hay? Trying it out? Good morning, guys. I hope you're having a good day so far. I'm just out here. We had a little break in the rain, and so I decided that it was time to take this kind of falling apart outdoor enclosure down for the girls. It served its purpose. We've had it up for a couple of years, but it's just time to replace it. And with the amount of snow that we get throughout the winter, the snow just like stays on top of it. It doesn't really fall through, and it just caves it in. So I think I'm gonna set up some hog panels, a little more sturdy, and I'm not exactly sure what I'm gonna do for the top part, but I'll figure it out. So yesterday I started just getting some spring cleaning done in here. I find that over the winter, put my boots on. Over the winter, it just gets cluttered, I don't even know, just grain bags, and it's just hard to clean everything out. Oh, pigs must be outside. So that's what I was doing yesterday. Lots of decluttering, throwing stuff in the dump. Obviously there's going to be some amount of stuff in here. My husband's business, a bunch of ladders and just electrical stuff. But gotta get rid of the trash. Gotta beat down those cobwebs. I see the tractor. I see it. What is it, quartz? Oh, wow. A big one. So we're just taking a quick break. It's actually sleeting out. You can hear it hitting the metal roof. I don't really think the baby would want to stand out in that, so quick break. Hi, girl. I don't remember, honey. Alright guys, so I got that fencing down. I got in there, took out any gross stuff, kind of evened it out a little bit. So now I'm going to try and set some hog panels up. We'll see how that goes. Stopped raining, so get as much done as we can until it starts again. Alright guys, so I got the new coop or outdoor run set up. It's a little smaller than the other one we had. It's definitely not the prettiest thing, but I put these hog panels, two of them, 2 hog panels, sorry about that, baby voicing his opinion. And then I just bent them over like that, so they're like a rainbow. And I just put whatever chicken wire I had left to fill in the gaps. And it looks a little better. It's definitely not going to win a beauty contest, but I think the chickens will be happy with it. And our plan is anyway to have them this summer out on like a chicken tractor, just so they can be out and about, but this will do for when they're in their coop and they need to get out and stretch their legs. So we're gonna let them out and see what they think. Alright, so they're out and about. I'll probably put a little more chicken wire just where there's those bigger gaps right here. I don't think they can get through it, but something wanted to come prowling around and check them out. They would be able to get in there.
No!
That's that. Just squeeze through. Alright guys, I hope you have a good day, and thanks for joining me for this project. We'll see you later.
You're a big boy! You're not